Hey everybody, how you doing? Betty Buckets Business Bites is back. I got a request, I got a question, a video request from Barry. So Barry, thank you so much. This video is for you. We're gonna cover how to find contacts. And I'm gonna use LinkedIn because it's one of the easiest ways to just find a name. Sometimes all you need is a name. So if you want to find, say, the IT director for ABC Bigwig Corporation, go to LinkedIn. It's pretty easy. Now, you're not going to get their email, you're not going to get their phone number, but with a little bit of creative stalking on Google, because Google will tell you everything, you can find at least the contact information, at least a phone number, and then you can call it up and say, hey, what you need? Baby, I got what you want. And so, for Barry, we're going to use LinkedIn to show you how you can find points of contact that are specific to departments or primarily like job titles. Now, I don't recommend using LinkedIn as an initial point of contact. It's kind of gotten a little old in my opinion. Plus it's like, wait a minute, I don't know you, you don't know me, we've never met. What are you reaching out to me for? And then I start getting spammed and I start getting all these messages. And frankly, I kind of stopped even looking at my LinkedIn on a regular basis. I check it maybe once or twice a month just to keep things updated. So if you're looking for specific people that have specific job titles, you can go in to LinkedIn and search that. So I'm going to get that going for you in just a moment. Alrighty, so now you're seeing my screen. I'm in LinkedIn. I have logged in. So here's what we're gonna do. I want to find people who have the title Security Director. And so when I click on here, Security Director, and I press enter, it's kind of going to give me everything. But now what I can do is right over here where it says all filters, I click on the all filters and now I can kind of narrow things down. So one of the ways I'm going to narrow down here is I want the title, Security Director. And then maybe I want to narrow it down a little bit more to like people in like the United States. And then I go and then that's it. I click on this apply here. And so now that's going to give me all of the people that have that term in their title. So right here, we've got Nick, who's the Director of Information Security at Fairfield Residential. We've got Russ, who's the Director at Security Director at Pfizer. So what I can now do is I can give Russ a call. But I don't have his phone number. I don't have his email address. So maybe I can do a little bit of digging in Google. Now this is a little weird, a little scary, a little creepy. Bear with me. And I'm gonna tell you, I didn't test this first. So it doesn't work all the time, but 80% of the time it'll work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take his name, Russ Moya. I'm gonna copy it. And then I'm gonna go into Google. And in quotes, I'm going to put his name. And then I'm going to put, because I can't spell very well, I'm going to put Pfizer. And let's see what comes up. All right, so there's that LinkedIn. We already have that. Oh, look what we have here. Looky, looky, looky. Ooh, there's his phone number. And I didn't pay a dime to get that information. So if you're looking for certain individuals within companies that have certain titles, you can go to LinkedIn, you can search that title, you can then filter down as far as current title or location or all that other good stuff, and then you get a name. From there, you take that name, you plug it into Google with quotes and something else like the name of the company, and boom. Mic drop. It's a short video, it's a quick video, it's down and dirty, but it works. So Barry and everybody else out there, if you're looking to find the particular name of somebody with a particular title, LinkedIn and Google are your friends. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, can you give me a thumbs up? Maybe even subscribe. Subscribe is really big for us. So if you can subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Hey, in the comments, ask a question. If you'd like me to do a video, you're kind of wondering, put it in the comments and I'll make a video just for you. Have a great day. Happy stocking.